Hi, this is Wendy with Wendy Klein Properties. There's one word that can describe 24118 Margerstadt Road. Magnificent. Come, take a look. Classic farmhouse meets modern luxury in this amazing 4-bedroom home. My favorite part of this house is the open concept area where the kitchen and the living and the dining space adjoin for parties. I love the double islands because that's where people are going to congregate when you have guests over. And the open shelves there in the living space, just going up to the 30-foot ceilings, is just an amazing view. Complete with a private study. The huge primary bedroom has his and her bathrooms and closet. Plus a screened-in porch. There's utility rooms upstairs and downstairs, which makes housekeeping super convenient. And future media room upstairs. A true must-see in this house is the upstairs bedroom with a separate playroom. But any vantage point from this property inside gives you an incredible view outside. The horse barn here on Margerstadt is truly worthy of envy. Rubber bricks line the alleyway. Stalls are 14 by 14 and all have a turnout. There's a climate-controlled tack room and feed room that complete this show barn. Just behind the barn is a regulation-sized dressage arena complete with excellent footing and mirrors. This 30 by 40 workshop is perfect for hay and equipment storage. This property is fully fenced with horse wire and boasts 6 paddocks and 1 large pasture. This is a truly turnkey horse farm available for your consideration. It'd be my dream just to sit out in the outdoor fireplace area and watch my horses nibble grass for the evening. Come take a look at 24118 Margerstadt.